Trying to get these two baby squirrels over here. I see playing by this tree. They don't seem to be showing up very good. They're just playing around there. I'm surprised they didn't run up the tree when I came over here with the tripod and camera, but they didn't. Oh, they're adorable. Hi, little fellas. I never saw any this small before. They're really pretty small. Hi, little squirrels. You guys having fun? You having fun playing there? You seem to be. Digging around in the ground there. What are you looking for? Are you looking for something there? They were really kind of rustling around and stuff. Now they're being a little more sedate since I actually got over here. Digging in the ground. They're really in the shadow there. I don't know how well they're going to show up. Probably not great. If they would get out there in that area where they're more in the light, kind of backlit at least. Hi, little ones. You having fun? You enjoying yourselves? Rustling around. Oh my. That's cute. Is somebody winning this game, or is it a draw, or does it even matter? It's just fun, huh? Oh my. Oh goodness gracious. You guys are funny. You're making me laugh. Alright, I'm probably getting close to 3 minutes. I don't like to edit. In fact, I've never even tried. Really.